Hey guys, this is Sharlrita Deloatch. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I am looking forward to going through doing this YouTube video all about this amazing AI tool for authors named Book Blaster. So, if you are new to my channel, I talk all things book publishing, marketing, and writing. And I'm super excited to give you guys some updates on Book Blaster. Before I do, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and like this video and leave me a comment if you are using Book Blaster or if you ever heard of Book Blaster. So let's get into today's details. I was so super excited to receive this email from Book Blaster of the exciting new updates that we have. So just to skim through this email about the new dashboard, they have faster and better results for the promo pack generator, which I will show you guys today. Also, you can create your book trailers here, mock-ups, and what it's also coming soon that caught my attention is the book outliner tool, ghost writing AI powered a mobile app. I'm excited about this book cover generator. Another thing I am excited about. So kudos to Cameron and the Book Blaster team for creating this amazing tool. And I'm just so glad to be a partner with this tool as I look forward to them growing to bigger heights. But let me go into the dashboard a Book Blaster. Since the last time I have been in here, I think I did a YouTube video before just giving some details about this tool. I will link it in a description if you want to take a look at that video. But since I've done that video, a lot has changed. The dashboard is a lot more user friendly. Not that it wasn't before, but I can see they have been working. Cameron and the team have been working. So just to give you a quick overview of Book Blaster, it is an AI tool for authors. If you're not familiar with AI is artificial intelligence. And artificial intelligence is taking over. Now, you can view that as a good thing or a bad thing, or you can take what seems to be a bad thing because so many people are, especially on Facebook and Instagram, are feeling like AI is replacing people. Let me tell you this. AI does not replace people. It actually enhances your experience. It enhances your words. I use AI a lot in my business because for me, I'm gonna be honest, I am not a writer. Although I love writing books, I love publishing books. Writing is not my at the top of the mountaintop when it comes to me, and I'm okay with that. So I'm okay with using tools such as AI to help me to make sure that my messaging is coming across the way it needs to come across for my audience. All right. So I learned to take advantage of the things. And as you know, when it comes to the world, things always go around. All right. So we're not new to robots and things being a little bit more easier in AI. AI has always been here, but now it is really busting down doors. And when I learned about Book Blaster, I had to be one of the first to be a part of this amazing movement. So, right here for authors, you have the opportunity to, of course, go to bookblaster.io. Okay, I do have a special code for you if you want to get a 70% discount. It is in the description, so you have a opportunity for you to purchase it at a lifetime value, a lifetime price, or you can do a yearly price. Okay, either one what works for you. Right here in the dashboard, you can upload your books that you have here in your dashboard. I'm just going to click here because I want to see if my books are still here. I'm actually in the process of writing my first of 12 books in 2023. So I am really going to be using Book Blaster a lot. As you see, this is the first book I am launching the 12 books. I'm launching in 2023. The first one is Power Publishing Secrets. This is 7 powerful ways to market your book to bestseller status. All right. So I may have mentioned Book Blaster in this book. So make sure that you are following me, especially on this channel, because I'm going to be using Book Blaster. I'm telling you guys that up front. Okay, so I'm going to be using Book Blaster, but that's where you can host all of your books. This is also, on a side note, amazing for publishers. If you are a book publisher, if you are a book coach, you help your clients with marketing, you should be utilizing Book Blaster for your clients. All right. Because truth be told, not every author wants to learn the technical things. Not every author is familiar with all things that authors may need. So if you're listening to this and you are a publisher, get on this. Okay. This is a great add on for your packages. Don't let me start coaching you, but I'm not going to do that today. So right over here, I'm going to click here where it says the AI generated content. This is the content that already was generated for me for my book. This is particularly for the book that I am launching where it says no data. So I'm going to create. So let's do that on this video, okay? I'm going to create a new promo pack. All right, so let's go through the title. All right, so I'm going to put my name here. It says for the best results, use 5 to 20 words. I haven't created my description yet, but let's put, okay. It's spring. See, I say I'm not a writer. Mm. All right, so I have this book is for new, current, and inspiring authors who desire to launch and promote their book to bestseller status. So I'm going to click generate my promo pack, okay? And then I'm going to go back to, so I see that some things change. So since that's on the way, that's going to be about 5 to 10 minutes. But while we wait on that, let me go through this dashboard here. Okay. That's actually going to be updated to my email. So I will, of course, give you guys an update on that. Now, you see right here, we have some credit bound. We have credits. Now, this wasn't here when I logged in before. This is new. So you will have to purchase credits. As you see on each type of access that you will have different credits. All right. So if I wanted to create a trailer, that's going to be 20 credits. Now, I just did the promo pack, which I'm going to need anyway, and that was 10 credits. All right. Mockup generator, 5 credits. So you're going to need credits for each thing. If it does not have credits beside it, it means that it's coming soon. As we saw in the emails, there's a lot of things that's coming through. So let's go through the options that are coming through. Landing page builder, graphic generator, ad campaign generator, book launch generator, social media post scheduler, TikTok idea generator. Now I love that because I am on TikTok. Make sure you are following me. All right. Indie bookstore finder. Whether you want to believe it or not, people are still going to bookstores, email generator, influencer finder. Listen, y'all, if y'all want the quickest way to sell your books, connect with influencers. They are influencers for a reason. They influence people to buy. All right. So if you want people that's going to influence people to buy your book, get with an influence. All right. Book outliner, we saw in the email, that's coming soon. Book cover generator as well, and quote extractor. I don't know about you guys. As I was reading, this gets me more and more excited about my own books because Book Blaster is taking away a lot of the headache. All right. They are taking away a lot of the headache for this fellow author. So I am feeling amazing about this too. Again, if you have not, go visit bookblaster.io. I put the link in my description. I have a special code for you to use. You want to get 70% off, go use it. Tell them I sent you because this right here is amazing. Now let's go check my email and to see if my promo pack is ready. All right, so my promo pack is ready. First off, it came to my email. So it said the subject line, your promo pack is ready. Let's cue the confetti, right? So I want to go, before I go into this email, I want to go into my back office to see is it in my back office as well? So let me check that. I'm going to refresh my screen. And then let's look at the AI generated content and let's see if it's back here. Okay. There we go. It's back here. So I don't have to go to my email to show you guys. So it looks like it comes to your email and it is in the back office where it says AI generated content. All right. So let's load this up. Look, they have my landing page content already. I don't have to worry about that. Check that off. My ad copy, because when your girls start promoting this book and running these ads, you're going to need some powerful ad copy. Look, they even have my powerpublishersecrets.com. I grabbed that domain. You hear me? That domain belongs to me. Sharlrita Deloatch. I already have it. They are smart. So make sure you have a domain for your book. Email sequence. Listen, look at this. This email sync. Email 1, email 2, email 3, and a TikTok script. Younger, listen, this is amazing. So I cannot wait to put this into play. Y'all make sure y'all follow me here, not just on TikTok, Instagram, and as well as here on YouTube. Okay. So I will be keeping you guys updated with my book launch as I'm launching 12 books in the year 2023. So make sure y'all stay in contact, but get on this tool. Okay. Again, make sure you like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and let me know what questions you have about Book Blaster, and I'll be happy to answer them or help me to create some other video content for you as well. All right. Until the next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye.